If you own a Nissan with all-wheel drive, you might want to listen up. There's been a lot of talk online about mysterious transmission or axle leaks, especially from the front passenger side. So, what's really going on? These leaks usually happen when the driveshaft oil seal or dust cover seal wears out, gets damaged during service, or isn't installed correctly. Over time, seals can dry out, crack, or become misaligned, especially if the front right AWD driveshaft has been removed for repairs or maintenance. When this happens, transmission fluid or gear oil can seep out, often dripping onto the ground right under the front passenger side of your car. You might notice a small puddle or spots of reddish or brownish fluid under your car after it's been parked. Sometimes you'll get a warning light on your dash, or even hear odd noises like whining, grinding, or a faint clunk, especially when turning or accelerating. If left unchecked, these leaks can lead to low fluid levels, which puts extra stress on your transmission and axle components. That can cause rough shifting, loss of power to the wheels, or even long-term damage to the transmission, potentially costing thousands to fix. The reason these leaks are often noticed on the front passenger side is because that's where the right side driveshaft connects to the transmission. So, any seal failure there will drip down and pool under that corner of the car. Many owners miss the issue until it's severe, since the leaks can start small and may not trigger a warning light right away. By the time you spot fluid on the ground or hear strange noises, the problem could already be causing internal wear. Nissan issued a Technical Service Bulletin, NTB21 094B, in December 2023. This isn't a recall, so you probably didn't get a letter in the mail, but it's important. The bulletin gives Nissan dealers official instructions for replacing the driveshaft oil seal and dust cover seal whenever the front right AWD driveshaft is removed. Now, which vehicles are affected? Here's the list: Nissan Altima, Murano, Pathfinder, Rogue Sport, and even Rogue Sport hybrids. Model years 2019 through 2024, depending on your car. Basically, if you drive a recent AWD Nissan, this could be you. Let's take a look at what real owners are saying online. On Reddit, one user posted, "I noticed a reddish puddle under my 2021 Rogue after just 8,000 miles. Dealer said it was a common issue and replaced the seal, but I had to push for it to be covered under warranty." Another forum member shared, "My 2020 Murano started leaking at 15,000 miles. The service advisor told me, it's just a minor seal, nothing to worry about. But a month later, my transmission started making a whining noise." There are dozens of threads where people say their leaks appeared out of nowhere, sometimes just weeks after a routine service. One frustrated owner wrote, "I paid $1,400 for repairs because my dealer said it wasn't covered. Only later did I find out about the TSB from another forum member." Some users even post photos of their driveways stained with fluid, asking, "Is this normal for a new car?" The community often jumps in with advice like, "Check the front passenger side for leaks," or "Make sure your dealer knows about NTB21 094B. There's a lot of frustration too. One Redditor summed it up, "It's crazy how many of us have the same problem, but the dealers act like it's rare. Most of them have no idea about this bulletin. So what should you do? If you spot a leak on the front passenger side of your AWD Nissan, ask your dealer about NTB21 094B or NHTSA ID 10248-654. Have them check your VIN. If you're under warranty, the fix should be covered. Out of warranty, referencing this bulletin could save you a headache or some cash. As one forum user put it, "Mentioning the TSB got my repair covered, even though I was a few months out of warranty." And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching.